Morning, and today let me just show you a very important demo wherein I am going to use a Claude code that you can see on the top of my screen to be able to go ahead and upload a video directly on the YouTube. Okay, so I have created a video and I want to go ahead and use Claude code to be able to go ahead and put all the information related to the video. So what I have done right now is I'll just show you. This is the video that I have got. This is my video. And I want to upload this video. I want to upload this video directly on YouTube. So for that, I have written a script that I'm going to give to the Claude code to be able to do the work for me. So let me just copy this script that I have. You can see the chapters, who build, how to connect to us, the GitHub, YouTube, everything we have specified here. Okay, about Gennoor Tech, my company, the tags that we want to put, the thumbnail that we want to put. Okay, we are trying to give every information directly on the screen. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, now I'm going to come to my browser and let me go to the YouTube section. Now within the YouTube, let me open my YouTube studio. So here I am into my YouTube studio and I want to upload a video on the YouTube studio. So I'm here. I'm going to go ahead and say create and I am going to upload a video. So let me just pick up that video from here. So this is my video which I'm interested to pick. So taking a URL of this, coming into my Chrome, going to select files and giving the link. So this is the video. I'm going to upload this video. Apart from that, I'm going to put this script here. I had a script, right? So I'm going to take this script, entire script, and herein I'm going to select the best Claude model, maybe Opus 4.7, and I'm going to put this information here. Let me say I want you to read this information and help me put this directly in these sections for the video that you can see on the screen. Okay, now once I do this, I'm going to say kindly submit the video if there is something with multiple options like title, etc. Select the first best option. Okay, this is what I'm trying to do. So here I am clearly saying that I want you to read this information that I've shared at the top and get the things done for me. Okay, one more thing that I'm going to say, if there is anything which is irrelevant, you can skip it. Now the point is, who created this script for me? I gave this video to a Claude code. And I asked the Claude code to be able to go ahead and generate a script for me. So in my case, I used Cowork, and the Cowork generated the video. What you can say, it generated the script for me. I uploaded the video and it gave the script for me. So I'm using that same script that we have here in the Chrome, and this is what I'm trying to go ahead and do. Here we do have option to say ask before acting or act without asking. I'm saying act without asking because I'm pretty much confident, and let me use the best model with the script and my input prompt with direct act and click on upload. Now you can see what is happening on the right side. It is going to take a screenshot and it is going to complete the things. Here you can see it is automatically writing the information. Now what we are trying to do is we are using Claude to be able to get a work done. So at this point of time, when Claude is doing everything for me, I can do some another task. Can you see it is putting a title, the description on its own. Wonderful. Everything it is putting. Connect, build, whatever I had in the script, I am able to put it directly. So at this point of time, I am relieved from doing the monotonous work. I can concentrate on doing something that is far more productive, leaving the things directly to be taken care by Claude. The most important thing is the input that you give is very much important so that Claude understands what is required to be done. So I'm able to do that aspect right now in front of you. So it is saving me a lot of time right now, right? So you can see this information. This is pretty amazing. It's adding all the hash which is there in the script. I could have directly given the video and asked it to analyze, but here you can see it is putting all these informations that were required to be done. Now it's automatically scrolling using the tools that are available in the Claude, in the Chrome Claude, using Claude Cowork in the Chrome, and it is going to fill the information. Can you see it is automatically saying no, it's not made for kids. It's doing everything on its own. So you can see this is pretty amazing, wherein we can just sit, relax, give a video, let the monotonous work being taken care by AI itself, and it can submit. So if you want, you can have a final verdict that before you submit, let me review. That also you can go ahead and do. Can you see it is adding the tags from the script directly for me? I'm not doing anything. It's able to do everything whatever is required. This is pretty amazing, guys. So I hope you liked whatever we are able to see. And you want to add some subtitles, you can add that. So you need to provide those informations, right? So right now it's doing everything whatever is required. No copyright issues found. Everything is fine. Initial check. I want to make it public. So it will automatically select now the public option. Can you see proceeding to visibility check? This is all done. Now it's automatically asking schedule it now or save as private. I'll say public and publish. I'll say hang on. I'm also going to give a thumbnail to this. Okay, so let me come up here and let me give a thumbnail. Okay, so I have taken a thumbnail. I have a thumbnail. I'm just checking where do I have. I don't think I have kept that thumbnail right now. So let me just do one thing. It's almost done if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's done. I can even say it's already done. You can see the video is published, but what I'm going to do, I want to upload a thumbnail also. So let me just come up here and I want to put my own thumbnail. So let me just take a screenshot. This is the screenshot. And now let me just use this screenshot for my purpose. So I'm going to take this screenshot. It's there somewhere in my logs in the screenshots. For May, I have got the screenshot. Let me take this screenshot and say it to Claude that hey, please give this as a thumbnail. Hang on, I'll just say can you edit and add this thumbnail. Also Right now I can see that the thumbnail is already there, but if I want to add, let me just check if the thumbnail is there in place or not. It's already there, but if there is something that is missing, maybe I want to add a thumbnail of my choice, I can just ask it to do that. Now you will see it will be able to take autonomous action. Now again I can sit and relax. It will automatically go to the correct space of video detail. Can you see? It's going to the video detail. It's navigating into the video and it is going to do that aspect right now in front of me. So it's locating the thumbnail upload control. You can see it. And once it is located, the thumbnail upload control, it is trying to locate the thumbnail upload control from the right side. You can see it here. Okay, now here you can see once it is able to locate, it's saving the thumbnail. You can see it here. It just copied it from its memory, pasted it here, not from my system. It's amazing. And now it is going to go ahead and maybe I want to add it to the playlist. Add it to my only playlist also. Let me just say this also. So right now I did not add it to the playlist. I'm asking it in between the chat to add it to the playlist also. So let me just copy this aspect again and I'm going to say it right now. Now the moment I say, again you will see it will edit. Can you see it's taking my playlist automatically? And it's done. So now you can see what I am able to achieve. I am able to do this thing done. Now let me just go to this live video. I'll say open link and let us see what do we have in place. You can see the video is uploaded, which is all okay. But if you see here, it is able to put all the information. Can you see? It has put all the information as per the requirement that we had. You can ask questions, you can see the chapters, you can ask it to show full transcript if there is any transcript. Okay, can you see the transcript is there? Everything was being taken care for us. And now if I want, I can comment here. For more details, I can ask it to comment also. I'll just say can you make a first comment? So that people visit for I have created a page for Claude Cowork webinar. So I'm asking it to get the things done. Okay, so I'm just saying, can you make a first comment so that people visit for Gennoor.com and also the page Gennoor.com/Claude Cowork. Now for this, it is going to post comment in my video. So if you can see, can you see it's automatically going to type. It's going to the video. It's doing automatically everything. It's trying to verify the URL. First try to enter it here, but now it has understood where to enter. You can see every action here, whatever is happening. You can just see it here. video comment section it is going, scrolling down to the video comment section. I hope you can see. It's going to the video comment section, adding a comment to the page. Let us just wait whether it adds the comment. We'll be able to see. Just see what is happening right now. It went to the video. It is trying to add a comment. I hope you can see. If I want to pin the comment, I can say that I also want you to pin the comment. This is done. I'll just say pin the comment also. I'll not put it here. Maybe it is available here. So let me just put it here, maybe somewhere. We'll come to this. So pin the comment also. And it remembers the history. Okay, do remember that. It's pinning the comment also. That's great. It's automatically pinning the comment. Can you see? It's happening automatically right now. So the purpose of this is to help us understand how Claude Cowork can help us do the monotonous work so that we can get the things in perspective. Thank you so much for watching, and do keep watching us for more videos and informative aspects related to AI. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.